1. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. 2. My mother prepares a tasty breakfast. My mother prepares a tasty breakfast. 3. We should always speak politely. We should always speak politely. 4. Please keep your books on the table. Please keep your books on the table. 5. I like reading storybooks before bed. I like reading storybooks before bed. 6. My brother is playing with his friends. My brother is playing with his friends. 7. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. 8. We should help people in need. We should help people in need. 9. I finished my homework before dinner. I finished my homework before dinner. 10. The little bird is sitting on the tree. The little bird is sitting on the tree. 11. Can you please open the window? Can you please open the window? 12. I forgot to bring my water bottle. I forgot to bring my water bottle. 13. My father drives to work every day. My father drives to work every day. 14. We went to the park yesterday evening. We went to the park yesterday evening. 15. The children are making a colorful drawing. The children are making a colorful drawing. 16. I always brush my teeth twice a day. I always brush my teeth twice a day. 17. Please wait for your turn. Please wait for your turn. 18. The dog is sleeping under the table. The dog is sleeping under the table. 19. I found a beautiful shell near the beach. I found a beautiful shell near the beach. 20. We should never waste food. We should never waste food. 21. My best friend lives near my house. My best friend lives near my house. 22. The sun shines brightly in the sky. The sun shines brightly in the sky. 23. I am learning how to ride a bicycle. I am learning how to ride a bicycle. 24. She shared her lunch with me. She shared her lunch with me. 25. The students listened carefully to the teacher. The students listened carefully to the teacher. 26. I will finish this work after lunch. I will finish this work after lunch. 27. We planted a small tree in our garden. We planted a small tree in our garden. 28. My grandmother tells wonderful stories. My grandmother tells wonderful stories. 29. The baby is smiling at her mother. The baby is smiling at her mother. 30. I cleaned my room before going outside. I cleaned my room before going outside. 31. Please put the toys back in their place. Please put the toys back in their place. 32. We saw many colorful flowers in the garden. We saw many colorful flowers in the garden. 33. He forgot his umbrella at home. He forgot his umbrella at home. 34. I enjoy playing games with my cousins. I enjoy playing games with my cousins. 35. The train arrived at the station on time. The train arrived at the station on time. 36. We must follow the rules at school. We must follow the rules at school. 37. My sister is learning to play the piano. My sister is learning to play the piano. 38. I was tired because I played outside. I was tired because I played outside. 39. The teacher gave us an interesting activity. The teacher gave us an interesting activity. 40. Please close the door when you leave. Please close the door when you leave. 41. I like watching the clouds in the sky. I like watching the clouds in the sky. 42. We should keep our classroom clean. We should keep our classroom clean. 43. The boy carefully carried the glass of water. The boy carefully carried the glass of water. 44. I helped my friend complete the project. I helped my friend complete the project. 45. Tomorrow, we will visit our grandparents. Tomorrow, we will visit our grandparents. 46. The rabbit quickly ran into the garden. The rabbit quickly ran into the garden. 47. I always try my best in every activity. I always try my best in every activity. 48. She was happy because she won the race. She was happy because she won the race. 49. We learned something new in class today. We learned something new in class today. 50. Everyone should be kind and respectful to others. Everyone should be kind and respectful to others.
Great job, champs! Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!